Oh, pretty.
Wouldn't that be pretty if it was dark?
I like the paper towel holder best.
I told you that wasn't a good idea. Watch it. I told you that wasn't a good idea.
Oh gosh.
Oh!
Watch it, the sprinklers are coming on.
Help! 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 Get some water! Get some water!
Get the water!
Ruin my jacket. Over here, Brian. Over here. Get the water, quick!
What's the number for the sprinklers?
What's the number for the sprinkler on this side?
16!
16! 16!
Get the fire extinguisher.
Get over here on this side, Kyle. Joshua, over here. Right here.
I'll be right there.
This is a nice addition to our front yard, don't you think?
I told you guys you need to have a hose ready to go.
We're done.
You better get it wet.
I am done.
Put it on YouTube, Kyle. Can I touch it?
No.
Oh, not a good idea.
Man.
That's just not a good idea.
Happy New Year's.
New Year's resolution: do not do fireworks in a paper towel holder. Not good.
Is it getting wet?
Yeah. This is a good start to 2011, don't you think?
I told you the wind would knock it over.
Well, that's what I thought was stupid, is using a paper towel.
Nobody listens to the
Tried to tell you.